All right, this question asks, the statement in lines 11 to 14 functions primarily to. So here we're basically looking for the function of the statement, right? So why is it there? What role is it playing? So let's see what it says. If we go to the line in question, it says, in size and mass, Venus is almost the equal of Earth, and its gravitational field is only slightly weaker than ours, so that logically it might be expected to have the same kind of atmosphere. All right, so that's basically saying Venus is very similar to the Earth in many ways, right? So in size and mass and gravitational field, and because it's so similar, you might expect Venus to have the same kind of atmosphere, right? And then the sentence says, but this is emphatically not so. So even though it's very logical to think that they might have the same atmosphere, they actually have nothing like the same atmosphere. So very, very different. Okay, so let's look at our answer choices. A says dismiss a plausible supposition. Dismiss means to like kind of get rid of. Plausible means like possible, right? It's very, very possible that it could be right. Supposition is just an idea, right? A proposition. So a statement. So dismiss, so get rid of a possible idea. That sounds not bad, right? Because it's saying in this sentence, it's very logical to think that this is what Venus's atmosphere would look like, but it's just not, right? So dismissing a very possible idea. Yeah, could be. Let's look at your others. B, mock an outrageous claim. Well, he's saying it's logical to think that they might have the same atmosphere. So he's not saying that it's outrageous to think that. C, bolster an accepted opinion. Well, bolster means to support, right? And he's actually not supporting the regular opinion, the popular accepted opinion. He's just saying this might be expected, but it's actually not that way. So C's not great. D, summarize a particular experiment. Did you see any evidence here that was describing any experiment that was done? Not really, right? So he never brought up an experiment, so D is kind of out in left field. E, undermine a controversial hypothesis. Again, controversial is like, this is like a hotly debated topic that two sides are arguing against all the time, right? That I don't see here. He's just saying, hey, I understand if some people might expect this to be true because they're so similar, but it's actually not like that at all, right? That's not really a controversial hypothesis. I like A a lot better, to get rid of a possible idea. So yeah, A.